Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to activate dark mode for Zendesk. If you spend long hours managing customer support tickets, dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and provide a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during late night shifts or in low light environments. Let's walk through this quick setup together. First, open your web browser and navigate to zendesk.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account by entering your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email address and password associated with your Zendesk account. After entering your details, click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. This step is essential as all the customization options we need are only available once you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and your Zendesk workspace has loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, which typically displays your profile picture or initials in a circular format. This icon serves as your gateway to personal account settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your account management. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Look through these options carefully until you find one labeled Display. The Display option is where Zendesk houses all visual customization settings, including theme preferences and appearance configurations. Click on Display to proceed to the next step, where you'll find the dark mode toggle. Now that you're in the display settings, you should see the dark mode option clearly presented. This is the feature that will transform your Zendesk interface from the standard light theme to a darker, more eye-friendly color scheme. Simply click on dark mode to activate it. The change should take effect immediately, and you'll notice your entire Zendesk workspace transitioning to darker tones with lighter text for better contrast. And there you have it, your Zendesk account is now running in dark mode, providing you with a more comfortable interface for managing your support operations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.